Hello everyone, I'm going to build a ARPG games in 1 week. So I will start from building from the 2D versions and I am going to 3Ds. But in this 1 week, I will build these 2D versions. And this is not a tutorial, this is a recording process for how I was building it and trying to tell to other persons how I was building it. So that is saying here. So for this projects need to go. I posted on my GitHub the raw resource for this. For example, the image and video, audios that source of raw resource. And I will right click here to download this resource to my computer, to my laptop. Here I have this, and this is Godot file. Yeah, I choose Godot, this game engine for this my projects. Okay, so here it is, and I will just release it, and I will click on Godot. Godot is a open source game engines. First, just need to click the scan and go to documents and Godot and the ARPG game main base ARPG clone. Here we go. Now, the game engine is opened right here. First of all, I need to have a scene, right? So I said I will going to do a 2D games first to understand all the game logics. Here we go. We got a main scene, right? Stage. We call it world. Oops, typo. All right. In this stage, in this scene, I need to have a sprite to contain this image, right? Okay, so this is default background, and I will call it background because it is background. And I will look at the animation. Not here. Oh, it is in texture. Oh, not texture offset. Region. Okay, I will enable regions. If I am not enabled it, I will see this single image, right? Single image. If I enable it, it will just disappear because I didn't select it. So I will edit the region. I will see it again, and I will select the area for this region. All right. Then it will select it, and it will just fill it with this stretching of this single pixel image, right? How do we make it work? We just need to repeat it to fill it. All right, I just repeat it, and then we will have filters for it. We have all kinds of filters for image selfie, right? And images. So here, linear is more, make it like blending to each other, and nearest make it sharp and not looking so good. So I will choose the linear here. And then this is a single image, and then I need to, this is not going to work if just player walking around in this little tiny space. That's not enough. Need to make it big enough, not too big enough, not too big, not too small, just right around the corner. That will work, right? Okay, this is what I want. Okay, this is background image, and I need to have a character on it, right? Character body 2D. I will create it and I will call it a name. What is it? Oh, I forgot one step. Before the player, I need to save the world. Save it, save as it's saying. I will create a new folder called world so I can organize it more neatly. So after a long period of development, I won't it will be messy, right? Call it player. I want the player have its own scene, so it will be neatly organized. Call new folder, call it player, and save there. And I will open this scene. I will edit it here. So I will also edit new sprite 2D for the player also. I will choose a resource from the player, this image to this texture. Right now I have this player. This is 2 image, but I just want 1. Yeah, that is how to set it to 1. Okay, now I switch to the 2D at the world's image. Oh, I forgot to save it. So I will just save this scene. Now we have the player on here. So I can play it. Right, play it. I will select the world scene and then play it. Make it large. Oh, that is not working good. Not working good. I will open the Godot. And what I need to do is I will change the window size. I will allow the advanced setting 640 and 360. And what it will do is it will make it pixel-like. All right, it is getting there. I will make it work. Okay, settings, windows. What I need to, the mode, stretch mode, make it canvas, and make the window size double of that. Now what I got? Now I got the good one. This is good one. Okay, now what I need to do is add a script for it, for the player. Add new script. Okay, this is a script and I will have my own. I'll just make it simplified. Movement speed, make it 40, and I need to have function physics resource delta. What that delta mean is 60 frames per second. I will have a movement function. I will make this movement function and it will return nothing. Okay, before that I need to capture the input input mat. I will here call it right, left, up, and I will bound key to it. So here right will be D, and it is physical keyboard, and for left is A, for up is W, for down is S. Good, that is what I want. Now I will have for X coordination, it will capture the keyboard actions, call it right, and I will also monitor the left for X coordinate, right, actions strings left. All right, that will do. And for Y movement, I will get action strings down, input get action strings up. All right, and then I will get the movement that is vector 2. We will get a vector, get X, get Y. I will explain shortly here. What X move do is it will get right. Right is D and left is A. When the key is pressed, it will give you value 1. When not pressed, it will give you value 0. So when D is pressed, it will get 1 here. When A is not pressed, it will give 0 here. So it will move on right. If D and A press simultaneously, here we will have 1, here we will have 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. So it will be not move. So here will be 0, 0, it will not move. 0, 1, will move on the Y velocity vector. And if it is a right movement, then it will be X will be 1 and Y will be 0. It will move on move on right directions. If it X is 1, Y is 1, it will move on top right corner. All right, that's the picture we're getting here. So I will also get velocity for it. Velocity is movement, and it will be normalize it, and I will make multiply with movement speed and just make it move and slide. That is simple, not complex, right? This is not complex mathematics. So I will play it. Here I can control it. So the player is going on. It is amazing, doesn't it? It is amazing. Good. Good, wonderful. Continuing, I will add a enemy for it, and I will make enemy, and enemy will chasing the player. Okay, that is what I want to do next. So For now, this is it.